Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you 5-minute scalping strategy for Forex, stocks, crypto. Doesn't matter, and it works on all time frames. Okay, so first you need absolute strength histogram. Okay, it's this one by G-Man Trading. So the setting is default, right? Default, and you need 200 EMA. Okay, 200 EMA. So and that's it. So okay, so for buy, you want the absolute strength histogram to be blue. Okay, change color here. And the price has to be above 200 EMA. And it must not be too far away from 200 EMA. Okay, so how far away is kind of subjective. And so let's say here, so you have buy signal here, but it's too far away from 200 EMA. So we don't take this, okay? We don't want to buy at the top. But here we can take this. And where is our stop loss? So for stop loss, basically the way I do this, like objectively, you can say, okay, so this is the signal, and you look back, when is the last time the absolute strength histogram is red? So it's here. So between here and our signal here, where is the lowest point? Okay, between here and here, where is the lowest point? So it's down here. So that's our stop loss. All right. So you can buy here. You can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1. 1 to 1.5, doesn't matter. Okay, so again, we have another signal here, and okay, change to blue above 200 EMA, and it's not too far away, so you can take that. All right, you can take that. And where is our stop loss? So here, and between here and here, where is the lowest point? So it's here. All right, target 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5. And okay, here, do we take this? No, because it's too far away, and then the candle is too big. Okay, so if you see candle this big, you don't take a trade. All right, it doesn't matter what trading system you use. So if you see candle this big, you don't take a trade. And okay, here another one. Okay, too far away, so we don't take this as well. All right, so again, we have another one here, so it's not too far away. And yeah, you can take this. So where is our stop loss? So between here and here, where is the lowest point? Oh, so it's here. So that's our stop loss. So do we take this here? I think it's too far away. Okay, so it's very subjective how far away it is. So it's really up to you. So to me, this is too far away from 200 EMA. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. So the price has to be below 200 EMA, and you have this red bar. Okay, so we have a sell here. And where is our stop loss? So last time it's blue, it's here. So between here and here, where is the highest point? So it's here. So that's our stop loss, okay? All right. So, okay, this is our sell. So you can target 1 to 2. So this one is not too far away from 200 EMA, so we can take this. All right. So here, yeah, okay, so we can take this. Not too far away. Okay. Our stop loss is, okay, where is the highest point between here and here? So it's here. Okay, so that's our stop loss. So you can target 1 to 2. Okay. We got that one. And okay, we have a sell here. Where is the highest point? Between here and here. So that's highest point. Right. Not too far from 200 EMA. So how far is kind of subjective, like I said. So, but it also depends on like previous price action as well. Okay. So yeah, you can target. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can target 1 to 2. Okay. So if you have any question, just ask me down below. Okay. Thanks.